In other news, one of 26 defendants in the One Don Gang trial has been found guilty. Rowell Taylor has been found guilty of illegal possession of a firearm and ammunition. Raquel Porter has been covering the trial and has the details.
In handing down the verdict in the Home Circuit Court, Chief Justice Brian Sykes rejected Taylor's defense that the furniture shop where an AK-47 containing 10 7.26 rounds of ammunition were found in an unfinished building with multiple entries. In questioning the purpose of a key if the shop had multiple entries, Justice Sykes described the defense's argument as absolutely nonsense and total rubbish. Taylor's attorney Zara Lewis had argued that the Crown had not presented any evidence proving that her client had knowledge that the gun was hidden in the shop. She had also argued that another person was present outside the furniture shop. But Justice Sykes ruled that Taylor had control over the shop and was in possession of the weapon by virtue of being in possession of the key that was used to open the furniture shop. Early in the trial, a police inspector testified that he was part of a police team that went to Jones Avenue to arrest Taylor, who is the cousin of alleged leader Andre Blackman Bryan. During the operation, the weapon and ammunition were found after cops removed a stack of boards from one side of the furniture shop to another section. The court was told that the shop, which was operated by Taylor, is located a short distance away from his house. Before the search of the furniture shop, the court also heard that Taylor's house was searched and 5 cell phones, several SIM cards, and $265,000 were found. Raquel Porter, TVJ News.